Welcome e-learning classes in the series of learning operator. Welcome to learn logical operator. Student, what is logical operator? Logical operator used to combine more than two conditions. Yes. Once again I am repeating. Logical operator used to combine two or more conditions. So what are the symbols used under logical operator and how it works? Just have an example. There are three symbols used. Before this all operator we have learned about some symbols, but here I have said that three symbols will use. That symbol will comes in form of word, and that word are, first it is and, second it is or, and third it is not. Student, make sure these are keywords, so don't try to make any kinds of changes in writing these three. These three words will be used in small letter only. Logical operator combines conditions, more than two conditions. More than two conditions, it means what? Suppose you are having A, you are having B, you are having C. Value of A is 5, value of B is 3, or value of C is 9. One question, A greater than B, so result will true. And if you have to ask कि A greater than C, so result here will be true because A is 5, B is 3. Here value of A is 5, C is 9. So here here result will true and here result will false. And sometime when you need to ask this question in a single statement, how will you combine these two conditions together? So student, here and or and not will use to combine these two operators together. And student, it is this kinds of statement, these kinds of examples you will use in conditional operator. So in next video I will make videos for conditional operator. When you will go through this conditional operator and then you will need logical operator. But why logical operator before the conditional operator, conditional statement? Sometime it is also required, student. That is why it is here. So when you have to ask two questions at the same time, so you need to join this question. I am using question word instead of conditional statement. So when you have to add these two questions, so you need and or not. How these and or not is work? Student, in programming format, computer student also know true is represented by the symbol 1 and false is represented by the symbol 0. So now I am going to give you a truth table where I will use and or not, which will make it very easy to learn logical operator. I am going to erase this one and here I am going to draw. Suppose this is a condition first, this one is condition second, and if you are going to use AND operator, what will result? Student, suppose condition first is false, condition second is false. Sometime it become false, it become true. Sometime it become true, it become false. Sometime it become true, it become false. So here will we get four statement. Condition first false, condition second false. When these two conditions will be added with AND, result will false. I am going to give example like that. Suppose you are having A, you are having B, you are having C. value of A is 5, value of B is 15, value of C is 10. A greater than B. Based on this value, it becomes false. False. Based on this, A greater than C, 5 or 10, it becomes false. False. So false, false become false. Again, if value of first condition is 0, value of second condition is 1, all together it becomes 0. If first condition is true, second condition is fail, together it becomes fail. And if first condition is true, second condition is true, then all condition become true. So student, if you are going to write condition first, condition second, condition third, condition first, condition second, and if you are going to use it with OR symbol, so what will happen? If condition first false, condition second false, so together it becomes false. If condition first false, condition second true, so together when it comes with OR, so result will true. If first condition is true, second condition is false, so collectively it become true. And if first condition is fail, second condition is fail, first condition is true, second condition is true, together it become true. So student, it is a simple truth table for and or. Just go through this explanation at least 2 or 3 times, then it become easy for you all. And if you are going to discuss not, the one thing I will make you remember that when I have tell you about operator type, unary, binary and ternary, I have written over there unary operator, and there you can find not as unary operator. Yes student, this one is that not which is unary operator. It will explain in next video. I hope you all are good and healthy. It is today's class. Thank you. Good luck. Please subscribe my channel.